Hi, my name is Dr. Jim Sanberg. I've been a practicing chiropractor out of Southern California for over 18 years. I want to tell you about a supplement today, but I challenge any of you to show me a better one. My own blood pressure has ran in the 135, 85 area for a long time, even though I'm athletic, I eat well. I think I take pretty good care of myself, but I could really never get it below 135 over 85. In less than 2 weeks on this product, I now run about 115 over 75 or 78. And let me explain the science behind this. When L-arginine hits that arterial wall, there's an enzyme there, and what it does is it cleaves off a nitrogen molecule, hooks to oxygen, and you get this wonderful nitric oxide. Well, if you just take L-arginine, that L-arginine is then done. If you have L-citrulline in your system, which our product does, L-citrulline is a nitrogen donor for that old L-arginine. It continues to recycle that L-arginine, so you literally can take this once a day and get these wonderful results. There's research papers on L-arginine that not only speak of how wonderful it is for the cardiovascular system, but it's very dominant in the bodybuilding world, the sports performance, the athletic world. Number one, it's been shown to stimulate growth hormone production from the pituitary gland naturally. Athletes have been shown and know that they get a better pump and better recovery because when you dilate, you get more oxygen to the tissues, you get a better recovery, a better pump, a better workout, a faster cool down time. All this information is documented. This is also one of the only supplements that I've ever taken that you actually feel different. Most of your patients are going to come back and tell you, even after taking this for one day, that they have more energy, they sleep better. For some reason, I hear that they dream better. One of the wonderful side effects of this supplement is the Viagra effect. Viagra was actually discovered as a cardiovascular drug. It didn't work so well for that, but it caused vasodilation. So it's wonderful for men that have erectile dysfunction problems. It's the first supplement that I'm aware of that you can actually prove it works. And here's what I mean by that. You can prove it by testing. You can take a blood pressure of a patient, put them on this product, come back and retest them, and their blood pressure will go down. That proves that this product works. You can do the same thing with cholesterol levels and triglyceride levels and blood sugar levels by doing blood work. There's also other diagnostic equipment where you can check heart rate variability scores, that also check eccentric contraction of the ventricles, arterial elasticity, the waveform of the heart showing how much arteriosclerotic buildup is in the heart, and you can put them on a product and they come back and their scores get better. There's hundreds of examples I can give you of how wonderful the results we've gotten with this product, whether it's for blood pressure, or cholesterol levels, or energy levels. Let me just give you a couple. A good friend of mine, Dr. Bob Donaldson, who also is a chiropractor, had been on 3 different blood pressure medications for over 24 years. And even on those 3 blood pressure medications, really never got it below 135 over 80. For 2 days, we took this product. On the 3rd day, he didn't take his meds. On that 3rd day, when we took his blood pressure, it was 121 over 78. 2 months later, he's off all of his meds, and he'll come in the morning after his workout, and he'll be running about 110 over 65. Now, Bob's a great example also because he's the first blood test that I saw confirmation of how wonderful this product really is. He did a blood test 7.5 weeks after being on this product, and the results we got were staggering. Cholesterol dropped 44%, triglyceride levels dropped 43%, the ratio improved, and his A1C score showed before he had been strongly diabetic, now he was borderline diabetic. A follow-up study was done 8 weeks later, and his A1C score shows he's no longer diabetic. Now, I can give you hundreds and hundreds of examples of this, but what I would encourage you to do is try this with some patients. And guess what? The great thing about this is there's no risk to anyone. Any product that you buy, there's unconditional money-back guarantee. I challenge you, try some product with your patients, and you're going to see the same results that all of us have seen. I had 3 very successful practices in Southern California, making over $1 million net a year for 7 years. Specifically, we were very heavily involved in workers' comp at that time. The governor signed a bill one day, and my income literally went to 0 for the next year. Now, it was kind of a tough year. We survived. I used up my savings. I got back on my feet. But it sure would have been nice to have another source of income coming from somewhere. So protect yourself financially with a great business opportunity And what better one where you're saving people's lives? From a business standpoint, I've never seen anything like this. I introduced this product to a friend of mine, Dr. Bruce, 5 months ago, and Bruce had blood pressure issues. He called me back after 3 days. His blood pressure went up 36 points in 3 days. He got pretty excited, and he introduced us to some other doctors, and in 4.5 months, I have over 350 doctors that have implemented it in this office because I introduced it to Dr. Bruce. Let me tell you about another benefit of having this product in your office. When you give this to your patients, and they get these wonderful results, and they know that it's amazing that the supplement can lower their blood pressure and cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and that their blood sugar is normalized if they're diabetic, you will get an influx of patients into your office wanting this product because people are aware of the health effects of hypertension and diabetes and high cholesterol, and they want an answer. They don't want to take the meds. And what will happen is the word will spread in your town, and you'll get an influx of patients wanting a product that hopefully also can become your patients, whether you're a chiropractor or a medical doctor or whatever. And marketing a product like this, it sells itself. A product that does all of these wonderful, wonderful things, that has a money-back guarantee, that's measurable, it's the greatest part-time job I've ever had. If I can give you any advice at all, try some product. You have zero risk to try this with yourself and some of your patients. And what I mean by that, any product that you buy, you have a money-back guarantee on that. And any product that you give to your patients, they also have a money-back guarantee. So if they don't get these results, they get their money back. They won't want their money back. Patients don't ask for their money back. This product works. Here's what I'd like you to do. Contact the individual that showed you this website and try some product. You'll be amazed at the results that you get, I promise you.